and welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, I'm back out in the farm and I'm here working on this Mitsubishi Triton. Specifically, we're going to be changing the fan blower motor, which is under the dash. Fairly straightforward job. A few wasps right there though, so I better hop back a bit. Fairly straightforward job, guys. We should have this one in and out in under 5 minutes. Don't forget, if you do need this part, click on the title in the video. The description will drop down. Specifically, this model is the 09, but you can use this 09 tutorial video all the way up to 2019. The fan blower motor is in the same spot. It's the same design. There are a few differences with the part, but we have both available on the website. So pick the one you need on the website. They're roughly the exact same price. Get it shipped to your door. Use this video to learn how to fit it. Save yourself some money. That's what we're all about here at Parts Factory Australia, guys. Making this stuff simple for you, the viewer at home. Alrighty guys, let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, so I'm coming in here under the dash of this single cab ute. They are going to be the same dual and single. So if you just have a look straight under here, you'll see the fan blower motor is immediately exposed with almost nothing covering it, which is absolutely awesome because that means this whole job is literally 3 Phillips head screws and one little plug there. So you can just grab that plug and unplug it. Sometimes just grab that wire and give it a little bit of a pull just so it like loosens up the whole area. And that way, look at that. That's just unplugged, and then you can imagine 3 Phillips heads and this fan is going to drop out, and that is literally the extent of the video. So I'll rip into it now. Obviously it's kind of hard to do with just one arm, but let's give it a shot. So you can jump in under there. Just want to show you how easy it is to get this out. You can imagine paying a mechanic an hour's labor just to do this job that is literally going to take us, by the looks of it, under a minute, especially if you've got 2 hands. So look at this. We've got the 3 Phillips heads out. Boom. And you can grab the fan, give it a wiggle. Sometimes there might be things blocking it from coming out. No. See all that stuff on the inside of in that housing though? Well, it's another advantage of doing this job is it actually gives you an opportunity to get in there and clean up a bit. A lot of the time the noises you will hear, there you go there, is actually debris up in that fan housing. So now you've just cleaned it out, and obviously now you can throw your new fan in and boom, you'll be back on the road with a heater or air conditioning as intended. Alrighty guys, so at this point, obviously, you want to run over, grab your replacement. Hopefully you've already ordered from Parts Factory. Whoop-pow, whip it out. And at this point, this is where you throw it back in and get your car or get your air conditioning working again. So as you can see guys, they are an OEM replica. They're literally exactly the same. So you can just plug it in, boom, 3-year warranty. Yeah, as you can see, it's just an absolutely fantastic deal. So jump on it right now. Alrighty guys, I'm not going to put a perfectly good new fan blower in this wrecker's car. I'm going to reinstall the second-hand one, but as you can imagine, you guys are here to put the new one in. So grab your new one, you put your hose back on. Obviously you got 2 hands, so you'll be a little bit easier than me. And then make sure it doesn't twist like that's doing. Just spin the hose around as you rise it up, etc. Again, because you have 2 hands, it'll be much easier for you to get in there and do that. And then yeah, you can just rise this fan back into place, and then yeah, as discussed, you can just plug it back in. Alrighty guys, all done. In and out under 5 minutes, just as promised. As we saw, 3 little Phillips head screws. Whip it out, unplug the plug, new one back in, test to see if it's working, and you're good to go. Nice and simple. Alrighty guys, don't forget, if you can, give this video a thumbs up. And if this is the type of thing you are doing at home, DIY repairs on your own cars, subscribe to the channel. It's a good thing to have in your toolkit for next time, just in case you want to save some more money, DIY style. Alrighty guys, my name's Lucas. Thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. See you next time.